What if you could start trading with just $100 and slowly turn that into real, consistent income? Not overnight, not with luck, but with a system that actually works. Because here's the truth. Most beginners don't fail because trading is complicated. They fail because they try to make money too fast. They rush, they overtrade, they take big risks, and they lose. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through something different. I'll show you how to realistically grow a small account, a simple path to daily income, and how to trade even if you have zero experience. No hype, no fake screenshots, just real strategy. Let's get started. Let's start with reality. You are not turning $100 into $1,000 overnight. If that's your expectation, that's not trading. That's gambling. Real trading looks like this: small wins, small losses, consistency over time. So instead of asking, how fast can I make money? Ask yourself this: how long can I stay consistent? Because consistency is what separates beginners from professionals. 1. Starting with $100. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1, start with $100. That's it. Step 2, choose one trading platform. Not 5, not 3, just 1. Step 3, focus on 1 or 2 stocks only. Why? Because focus builds skill, and skill builds profit. 2, simple strategy. Let's keep this simple. No complicated indicators, no confusion. Here's the strategy: trend plus support plus resistance. Step 1, find a stock that's moving up. Step 2, wait for the price to pull back. Never chase.
Step 3, enter near support. Step 4, exit near resistance. For example, you buy at $10. You sell at $10.50. Small profit. Repeat. That's the game. 3. How $100 becomes $1,000. Now let's talk about growth. Here's what it actually looks like. Week 1. You're learning. Maybe you lose a little. Week 2. You start understanding the market. You take better trades. Month 1. 100 becomes 150, maybe 200. Month 2. 200 becomes 400. Month 3. 400 becomes 800, maybe 1,000. Not fast, but real. And that's what matters. 4. Risk management. This is the most important part. If you ignore this, you will lose money. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Example, you have $100. You risk $2. That's it. Because one bad trade should never destroy your account. Professionals don't focus on winning every trade. They focus on surviving. And if you can survive, you can grow. 5. The $50 per day strategy. Let's talk about daily income. You cannot make $50 per day with a $100 account. But here's the path. Phase 1. You learn. You build consistency. Phase 2. Your account grows to $500. Now you make $5 to $10 per day. Phase 3. Your account hits $1,000. Now $20 to $50 per day becomes realistic. Income doesn't come from magic. It comes from growth. 6. Trading without experience. Here's the good news. You don't need experience to start. You need discipline, patience, and one simple system. Experience comes from doing, not watching, not waiting, doing. Biggest mistakes. Let's keep this simple. Avoid these mistakes: overtrading, all-in trades, following random tips, emotional decisions. If it feels like gambling, stop, because it probably is. 8. Action plan. Here's your plan. Start with $100, use one strategy, risk small, take small profits, stay consistent. That's it. No complexity, no shortcuts. Making money in trading is not about luck. It's about discipline. Start small, stay consistent, think long term. Because this is not just about money. It's about building a skill that can pay you for life.